Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to download Amazon product video. So here, if you are on your Amazon account, as you can see, and you want to download the video on this Amazon product, like this for example, so all you need to do here is just click on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen. And once you click on this one, you will find an option shows up here, as you can see. And then click on this extensions, and here click on visit Chrome Web Store. Now here on your Chrome Web Store, as you can see on your screen, click on the search box right there at the top, and you just need to search for Video Downloader Professional. So as you can see, it shows up here on the results. So click on this one, and all you need to do is click on add to Chrome, and then add extensions, and then go to the extension icon there at the top. So try to click on this one and pin this on your Chrome. Once you've done, go back to Amazon product video, and here basically if you click on the video, now the Video Downloader Professional shows up there at the icon which has the red dot, and you're gonna click on this waiting to server, and you just need to save this to your computer. And that's it. That's how you basically download the Amazon product video. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.